Today we're diving into everything we know so far about DJI's exciting upcoming drone release, the DJI Neo 2. While we're still waiting for the official announcement, a tidal wave of leaks, rumors, and insider info have already given us a pretty detailed picture of what to expect. If you're a drone enthusiast, content creator, or someone who just loves lightweight and travel-friendly gear, this could be one of the most anticipated tech drops of the year. Let's break it all down: the specs, upgrades, design improvements, pricing rumors, and the potential release date window for the DJI Neo 2, which might just redefine the compact drone market. The original DJI Neo made quite a name for itself, especially among casual users and travel vloggers. It was incredibly compact, just 135 grams, and designed with ultimate portability in mind. Its palm-sized build made it perfect for travelers, lifestyle creators, and even hobbyists who didn't want to deal with bulky drones. Now, with the DJI Neo 2, the company is reportedly building upon that minimalist philosophy while integrating serious upgrades across the board. The Neo 2 isn't just a refresh, it's shaping up to be a game-changer in the ultralight drone segment. One of the most talked-about rumored features is the introduction of a foldable body. Unlike the original fixed-arm Neo, the Neo 2 is expected to have collapsible arms, making it even more backpack and pocket-friendly. This design evolution aligns it with DJI's Mini series and offers better portability without compromising flight performance. If there was one common complaint about the original DJI Neo, it was the high-pitched propeller noise. With the Neo 2, expect low-noise propeller blades and quieter motors. This change could make the drone significantly more discreet, making it ideal for filming in nature reserves, weddings, and crowded urban areas where minimal disturbance is key. The first-gen Neo featured a 1.2-inch CMOS sensor capable of 12 masterpiece stills and 4K video at 30 FPS, which served casual creators well. However, the Neo 2 is rumored to get a massive camera upgrade, a 1-inch image sensor. That puts it in the same ballpark as DJI's more premium models, like the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3. This larger sensor means sharper, more detailed images improved. Dynamic range, better low-light performance ideal for sunsets, night shots, and shaded environments like forests. Additionally, vertical video support could be included, a must-have for modern creators on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Native vertical shooting will save time in post-production and offer optimized framing for mobile viewers. Video quality and frame rate enhancements. The Neo 2 may push the boundaries with video specs such as 5.4K recording, 4K up to 60 FPS 20 mph stills. This would not only future-proof your content, but also provide cinematic quality footage straight out of a micro-drone. A major plus for vloggers, travel filmmakers, and social media influencers. Battery life has long been a limiting factor for smaller drones. The first DJI Neo managed around 18 minutes of airtime. Adequate, but not ideal. According to leaks, the Neo 2 could boast a flight time of up to 40 minutes, thanks to either a larger battery or improved energy efficiency. That's a major leap forward, opening the door for extended cinematic shots, time-lapse aerials, and multi-location shoots without constant recharging. Speed-wise, DJI seems to be dialing things up. The Neo 2 could hit a top flight speed of 60 mph, making it significantly faster than the original model. This not only allows for more dynamic tracking shots, but also improves wind resistance and stability, making the drone more dependable in a range of weather conditions. Perhaps the biggest complaint about the first DJI Neo was its lack of obstacle avoidance sensors. For beginners or users flying in dense environments, that was a risky omission. This time, DJI is rumored to be going all in with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. We're talking front sensors, rear sensors, bottom sensors, possibly even lateral. Detection combined with GPS-assisted precision hovering, the Neo 2 should offer far greater flight safety and shot accuracy. No more stress when flying near trees, buildings, or crowds. Active Track 5.0. Intelligent tracking upgrades. DJI's impressive Active Track 5.0 system, previously seen in the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3, could also make its way into the Neo 2. This tech lets the drone lock onto fast-moving subjects, orbit them with dynamic motion, Follow complex paths automatically, whether you're shooting extreme sports, hiking adventures, or wildlife scenes. This feature would make tracking buttery smooth and autonomous. While the original Neo supported smartphone controls and a basic remote, power users have long requested a more professional setup. That wish may be coming true. The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to ship with a new controller featuring a built-in touchscreen, similar to the DJI RC. This means no more attaching your phone faster setup, less risk of dropped connections. A cleaner, all in one. Flight experience perfect for creators who want to maximize efficiency while filming in the field. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and OcuSync 4.0 connectivity is another area where the Neo 2 might impress. Leaks suggest the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth 5.3, possibly OcuSync 4.0 transmission tech. With these upgrades, you're looking at faster, more stable video transmission. Reduced latency. Live 1080p feeds up to 12 kilometers. This would give you pro-level performance, even in crowded environments with high signal interference. A unique feature of the original Neo was its 22 GB of built-in storage, allowing you to shoot without needing an SD card. The Neo 2 may expand on that with 32 or even 64 GB internal memory support for micro SD cards up to 512 GB. That's plenty of room for high bitrate footage and long-form recordings, especially for travel shoots where SD card swapping is a hassle. Creative flight modes. Master shots and in-app AI editing. Expect all your favorite DJI quick shots modes to return, like Droney Rocket Circle Boomerang, and possibly some advanced features like Master Shots Hyperlapse, Cinematic Auto Edits, AI enhanced post-processing. Nothing is official yet, but given its rumored capabilities, insiders suggest a price range between $499 to $699. That would place it neatly between entry-level drones like the Mini 2 SE and more expensive offerings like the Mini 4 Pro or Air 3. This pricing makes it a perfect sweet spot, offering near-pro features without breaking the bank. As for the release date, industry insiders believe DJI is targeting a mid to late 2025 launch, potentially timed for Q3. This lines up with DJI's history of releasing drones ahead of the holiday season, or during annual product refresh cycles like the rumored Flip or Air updates.